I have decided I am done. Yep. I am done with this. I gotta have more space in here. It's just ridiculous. Tired of tripping over stuff. Hey guys, Rich here, eBike Reviews and Adventures. Whoa, there's more out here. Look, they're spilling out into the yard out here. Yeah. Hey, you know what? It's Friday and I'm having a fire sale. That's right. Everything you see out here, I'm selling this weekend, I hope. Well, okay, it's not going to sell this weekend, but it's going up for sale this weekend, and over the course of the next week or two, it'll sell. Here's what I'm getting rid of. We've decided to get rid of Mrs. Adventures TK1 Mooncool because she tested out and she really likes the Mooncool TK Pro, and she likes the fact that it's a torque sensor so she can get a little exercise. She doesn't like the fact that this one, when you start to pedal, it just takes off with you so fast because it was just way overpowered. Yeah, but we're selling this one too because neither one of us like this color. The website does not show you the true colors of the bikes, okay? They use a computer-generated image to show you what's for sale and the colors, but the actual color that you get is something considerably different. What's that guy doing? He's interrupting my video. Move on out of here. Get on now. Get. So, yeah, just be aware of that. So what we like to do is we try to go find actual pictures, either on the website or on Facebook or something like that, to find out what things look like. But she's gonna, we ordered her the lavender one last night. Yeah, she likes purple. She's a big purple fan. And lavender's a nice soft color, so that's what she's got coming in. So both Mooncools are out of here. I've still got this Happy Run over here, the G60. I've had a couple of people come and test it out, and I had a couple of people leave empty-handed because they just didn't like it. Don't blame them. I don't like it either. But it's for sale. Somebody will like it. The Ingwe Engine Pro. You know, I kept this for a while, and I thought I might continue to keep it for a longer term because it's a super nice bike, being that it's a dual suspension, 750 motor, you know, hydraulic brakes, torque sensor on top of all that, just super nice and really good for the price. But you know, I don't use it. I don't use it. No reason for me to be tripping over it. Actually, this one's been in Ron's garage for the last 4 months or something, so he's been tripping over it. So it's gone. Yeah, look, we upgraded the seat on it, the saddle. We upgraded the seat post, mirrors, and the cell phone holder like I normally do. Yep, this one's out of here. And guess what? Yep, 630. I suspended the 630 test ride program. Contacted Dustin, the CEO, yesterday and said, hey, we need to suspend this for now because this is the last product that I have of yours, and I'm selling it. Yep, this is the first generation Simple Glide, and we've had a few people that they have sent us to test ride it, and unfortunately some of his customers that came to test ride this ended up really enjoying the Meet 1, and some of them even purchased the Meet 1. So it's not fair to Dustin, and you know, it is what it is. So I told him it's time for it to go. So we're selling that, but he said he wants us to continue doing review videos for him. And so he's going to be sending us, it sounds like 2 or 3 more products. Yeah, over the next couple of months. So he's got some new stuff, and as soon as they get in stock, he's going to start sending us more stuff. So happy to continue working with him. Great guy. Just really like the uniqueness of some of his products. But hey, if you're interested, this one right here, up for sale. The Electric Express. You know, Electric has become one of my top brands that I really like. Great quality bike. Thought I'd keep this for longer, but I call it my Mary Poppins bike for good reason. It's just the style. But I don't use it. Again, don't use it. Just sitting here collecting dust. So it's up for sale now. Nice bike. Really nice riding bike. So what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got 6 up for sale. Getting out of here soon. No, the Meet 1 will probably never go up for sale, not unless they come out with something new, which I suspect they probably will at some point. Most companies do. That's the Sissy Gad right back over here. Made a video on it. Gotta make another video about that soon, but I'm not going to keep it either. It's going to be up for sale here before too long. Just because it's a no frills kind of bike, just kind of mediocre components, and nice bike, performs good. It's just not my style and not something I'm going to keep. I do have one rack that I'm going to be selling. This is the Hope You Ready rack that's got the built-in ramps that slide out the end. Yeah, we actually had one of these before. Actually, we had two of these before. We had one, and we did a video about it and sold it. Then they made some adjustments to it and made the trays actually a little wider so they'd fit a 4-inch tire a lot better. So they sent us another one, so we did videos on that one. And then we ended up purchasing this one because we thought we were going to have a need for some extra racks, or an extra rack. And we purchased it, but then we got that in. And that is the Cravat. This is the E2 Plus model. And you haven't seen a video on that yet, so we still got to get one of those done soon. But I don't need, you know, all these additional racks, so the Hope You Ready is gone. So it's up for sale. Hey, I still have that expensive recumbent trike right there, that $12,000 recumbent trike. Lowered the price, it's down to $5,000. It's only got like 20 miles on it. So yeah, somebody's gonna enjoy it. Somebody wants it, somebody's gonna enjoy it. Someone's gonna end up getting it. But just how long is it gonna sit in my garage, you know? Might stay here for a little while. What else do we still have in here? We still have Devin's and Amanda's and Emma's bike over here. Then we've got, you know, the hay bike, which we just got in, the electric Expedition. I don't intend on selling that anytime soon. That's, in fact, I'm going out to run some errands here in a little while, and guess what? I'm taking that. I sure am. The Rad Power bike, got to do some more videos on that. Super nice bike, really enjoy it. The Rattan, yeah, I'll probably do at least one more video on that. Don't intend to get rid of it just yet because it's a great off-road bike. And we got a new place to go riding off-road now, so I want to keep a couple of these off-road bikes, like the electric over here as well, just because they're good for that. So, and then I've got the Magicycle Ocelot Pro. That, I'm actually on the fence over. Yeah, I'm not beholden to the company for any reason. It's been a good bike for me. I always wanted the Magicycle Deer. Long story, won't get into that again, but I ended up getting the Ocelot Pro, which is, it's super nice bike, but I'm not riding as much because now I have some other really good, super nice bikes. And so it's just kind of here. So I may sell it. I was thinking about that this morning real hard. So I may be selling that as well. So you know what? I know I just did a garage update here just a week or so ago, but this is the new update for March, especially since we decided to get rid of all these things. Hey, if you're interested in any of these things that are for sale, FloridaEbikeAdventures.com. Go check out the website. That's my local website. And I have a for sale page there where I have them all listed. You can go check them out. Contact me if you're interested. I don't ship. I don't even deliver. Not unless you come here first and test it out. Make sure you like it. Pay me. And then I'll deliver it to the local area. But that's it. Just local. Yeah. I have a Toby still too. Toby, hey buddy, say hello. All right guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, give me a comment, and I'll see you guys in another video real soon. Ride responsibly, ride safe.